Darwin?
Go on without me.
I'm not gonna leave you here.
It's too late for me. You're the only one who could save this family from insanity. I saw the flag from the tree just over that hill.
No,